Guys, welcome back. Just an update on my bike. Haven't been running in a while. I just had low compression. Took the top end out. Pretty good on the crank. I had 110 compression, so it's time for a rebuild. So this is my old cylinder right here. You can see, looks like it's been melted on the top. The inside doesn't look so bad. Looks still good. Yeah, the inside looks pretty good still, so I don't know what I could do with this, even on the head. It's pretty bad too. So yeah, guys, this is the outcome. This is how I got the bike. I don't know how many hours were on this top end, so you can see the ring lost its gap way big. So I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got new parts, motorsports.com, new head, compared to the old one. Brand new. Nice. And new Wiseco pistons. Need a bearing. The ring. See if I can get this open and put this piston in a little black bag. Keep it protected. Sorry guys, it's hard opening this one here. There we go. Brand new Wiseco piston. Put the wrist clips in here. Yep, so we got that, new cylinder, new head. What else we got in here? Got a new cylinder too. Say, why, spend the money trying to repair this one? I took it to one guy, he said it'd be worth just buying a new one, trying to resurface the top or replate it. I don't know. I didn't even ask for a price, but this one wasn't cheap, I'll tell you that. But it's brand new, so, and I take care of my bikes, guys, so, I'll be doing the recent on time maintenance on them, changing the piston when I need to, or the ring, This is my first time doing a top end rebuild too, so, but I'm pretty smart with what I know what I'm doing. Only thing is, I might not, need help with is the ring gap. I'm not too sure about that. I know it's supposed to be 0.008. But I'll get to that when the time comes, so, yeah, and then got my little, my gasket set too, so I'm good to go. Let's see, I got my new head. Gaskets. New cylinder. New piston. And it has the first pin in here too. Okay, yep, it's all good. So, yeah, this is it, man. I'll give you guys an update when I start on my rebuild, and that's about it. Oh, and I got some anti-seize and some assembly lube in my filler gauge to check my gap on my ring. So that's about it. All right, guys, peace out. I'll see you guys.